Most students mix these theories. Don't be one of them. Piaget, Freud, Erikson, Pavlov, confused already? Let's fix all theories in 3 minutes. Question 1. Pre-operational stage age group is A 0 to 2 years, B 2 to 7, C 7 to 11 or D 11 to 15. Question 2. Object permanence develops in which stage? A. Pre-operational, B. Sensory motor, C. Concrete operational or D. Formal operational. Question 3. Egocentrism is seen in A. Sensory motor, B. Pre-operational, C. Concrete operational or D. Formal operational. Question 4. Conservation ability develops in A. Sensory motor, B. Pre-operational, C. Concrete operational, D. Formal operational. Question 5. According to Piaget, abstract thinking appears in A. Concrete operational, B. Pre-operational, C. Formal operational or D. Sensory motor. Question 6. Freud stage associated with toilet training: A. Oral, B. Anal, C. Phallic or D. Latency. Question 7. Fixation at oral stage leads to A. Orderliness, B. Nail biting, thumb sucking, C. Guilt or D. Independence. Question 8. Erikson stage for preschool child: A. Trust versus mistrust, B. Autonomy versus shame, C. Initiative versus guilt or D. Industry versus inferiority. Question 9. School-going child 6 to 12 years belongs to Erikson which stage? A. Trust versus mistrust, B. Initiative versus guilt, C. Industry versus inferiority, D. Identity versus role confusion. Question 10. Conditioning by reinforcement is given by A. Pavlov, B. Skinner, C. Bandura, D. Freud. Question 11. Classical conditioning is associated with A. Skinner, B. Bandura, C. Pavlov or D. Piaget. Question 12. Learning by imitation is proposed by A. Freud, B. Piaget, C. Bandura or D. Erikson. Question 13. Zone of proximal development is given by A. Piaget, B. Freud, C. Vygotsky, C. D. Skinner. Question 14. Modeling behavior in children is part of A. Classical conditioning, B. Operant conditioning, C. Social learning theory or D. Psychoanalytical theory. Question 15. Stranger anxiety is seen in which stage? A. Sensory motor, B. Pre-operational, C. Concrete operational, D. Formal operational. Yes, this time I haven't prompted the answers. I have gave you all chance to mark your answers and refer to my previous video, which is complete lecture on child psychology theories. So once you mark your answers, go back over there, refer to whole theories and you will get